lot I want to teach you today. So we don't have time to watch movie. All right? Okay, so can we straight away start a class? Good afternoon, Jane.
Hi.
Good afternoon, Jane.
Hi.
How was your day, Jane?
What are we gonna learn today?
Okay, today I'm going to do a recap on the changing phase of the matter. And we have lots of games to play today.
Yay!
Okay, so the first that enter is Angel, so Angel can play the game first. Second to enter is Jane, okay? So both of you can play games first, all right? Okay, let's go here. Okay, ding, 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 ding.
I want more friends.
Yeah, sure. Okay, now let's go to cold first, okay? Go cold. From the gas, okay, it get very cold. It'll become water. That is called condensation. Okay, when gas turn into water, what is that process called? Gas go to water. What is this process called? Tell me. Say condensation.
Condensation.
Very good. When the liquid getting even colder becomes solid, what is this process called?
Freezing.
Very good, freezing. When the solid ice suddenly go to become dry ice and become water vapor. What is this process called?
Sublimation.
Fantastic. Well done, Jane. Yes, it's sublimation. So all these are the cooling process. All these are the cooling process. Now, let's go to heating process. It's getting hotter. It's getting hotter. Okay, now when it's getting hotter, okay, from the gas, it's getting so hot.
Remember, it's my turn first.
Yes, yours is number 1, Jane number 2, then Yuna number 3, okay? Okay, from gas, it becomes solid. What is that gas called? You can only play the game if you know all this answer. Gas, solid.
Gas, solid, liquid.
Gas change to solid. What is that process called? Jane, very good.
Deposition.
Very good. Excuse me. From solid, it becomes liquid. From the ice, it becomes liquid. What is this process called? What is this process called?
Melting.
Very good. When the liquid going to become gas. What is this process called?
Evaporation.
Very good. It's evaporation. That's where the water from the sea go under the sun so hot that it becomes clouds. All right. So these are the process that we have learned. Okay. Okay. So who's the first that come into the class?
Angel.
Angel. So Angel can play this game first. Okay.
I actually want to play the maze.
Okay, we have a lot of games, one by one, all right? Okay, Angel. Go ahead. Ding, 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 ding. Molecules, they are tightly packed together. It keeps its shape, same shape, and doesn't move. Fixed shape, what is it? Solid, liquid, or gas? Which one? Fixed shape. Solid.
Solid.
Very good. Okay, next. Now, when a solid gets warmer, the ice gets so warm, it becomes
Melting.
yes, melting. Good job.
Melting.
Next, when the liquid get even water, it rises up to become vapor. What is that called? Oh no, you got wrong. So we have to send you. Okay, once you get wrong, we'll be the next person to play, okay? Okay, now Jane's turn. Molecule are furthest apart. It's moving very fast. It keeps on moving. We cannot catch with our hand. What is it? Is it solid, liquid, or gas?
Yeah.
It moves so fast everywhere. It just like so fast. What is that?
A guess?
Yeah. Click, click. Jane, click. Uh-oh. Sorry, it's not. One more try for you, Jane. When a gas gets cooler. Okay. When a gas gets cooler.
Became a condensation.
Try.
Became a liquid. When the gas gets colder, it became a liquid, teacher.
Uh-oh, it is condensation. Okay, no worries. Okay, let us discuss, okay? Then we'll go to another game. All right? Okay. So first of all, a molecule that is tightly together, you can see all neatly arranged and it doesn't change shape. That is called solid. That is called solid. Okay, when a solid gets warmer, it becomes melting. It's too hot. And when the liquid gets warmer, okay, then evaporation. That is evaporation. That's where the river water turns into water vapor. When a molecule go far away, but it can pour. Okay, but it can pour and fill the container. It is a liquid. Okay, when a gas gets cooler, so cold. Then when a gas gets cooler, it becomes a liquid. That's correct. But what process is that called? That process is called condensation. Understand?
Understand.
Okay. Are you ready for more games? Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let me send the link to your Google Classroom. Then you can play it again later. Okay. Okay, so that would be the first one. Are you ready for the second one?
See the game link.
Okay, let me send you the second one. Okay, the game link I'll send to all of you at the end of the class, all right? Okay, so we have Angel played, Jane played. The next one is Yuna. Yuna that joined the class next. So Yuna, you can play first now. Let me share with Yuna. Okay, Yuna, can you put the 3 states of matter? This ice, is it solid, liquid, or gas? Yuna?
Liquid.
The ice is solid. Okay, let me share the control with Yuna. Yuna, you can pull solid ice. Pull the word solid. Good, very good.
No.
In the middle, yes, good. Very good. Now the water, is it solid, liquid, or gas? Water here. Is it solid, liquid, or gas?
Among the two.
Yes, one by one. Tina, this water, is it solid, liquid, or gas? Liquid. Which is the liquid word? So the liquid word, Tina. Liquid. Good. Go to the water. It's liquid water. Good job. Very good. Last one. It is the which state of matter? It's like water vapor. Is it solid, liquid, or gas? Now go ahead. It's gas, correct. Someone is helping you. Good job.
Yeah.
Yes. Joyce and Charmaine is both helping you. All the way to the water vapor, the gas. Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. Up again. Yay, good job. Thank you, Yuna. So the next one that join in is, the next after Yuna is Joyce, right? Okay, next. Joyce. Okay. From ice, change to water. What is that process called? From ice, change to water. What is this process called?
Okay, I think what?
From ice, you take it out, it slowly melt into water. Good job. When water, you boil, then it becomes water vapor. It slowly evaporates to become boil and evaporate to become gas. This one. That. Try again. You listen to my words, okay? The water slowly boil and eventually it will evaporate, become gas. Wow. Okay, let go. Okay, next will be Charmaine. Next will be Charmaine. Okay, so Charmaine, when the hot air, the water vapor, it becomes to water. What is it called? Okay, you do freezing first. From the water, it freeze, become ice. Good. And the last one is called? Condensation. Very good. So this is how from the water vapor become water. Good job. Hooray! Do you hear the sound? Oh, you didn't hear the sound. I should turn on the sound for you guys to hear. They're giving you a clap. Good job. Okay. Now let's see a video on what is reversible and not reversible. Like for example, what things you cook you can reverse, what thing you cook cannot reverse. Okay.
Simple science. What are reversible and irreversible changes? Liquid water can be changed into gas by heating it up so that it evaporates.
Clear the drawing.
This change is reversible.
Clear the drawing, please. Thank you.
Because we can cool the water vapor down so that it condenses back into liquid water. Evaporation and condensation are reversible changes because we get back the original material we started with. Similarly, freezing and melting are reversible changes. If we cool liquid...
Okay, reversible means that you can reverse back. When you don't want time you boil, then after that you turn back cold, then it become back ice. So ice, water, you can always reverse back. So it will not disappear, it will not change. Okay, so that is not a problem. It's called reversible.
liquid water down below 0 degrees Celsius, it freezes into solid ice. By raising the temperature above 0, the ice melts to form liquid water again. If you mix salt with water, it will dissolve to form a salt solution. Dissolving is a reversible change because the water and salt.
Okay, so you see the salt and the water, you can reverse back because it can be changed. Okay, let's say for example, if I cook, okay, let me show you this one first. Okay, let me explain one time first before you play, all right?
I know how to play this one. I know what is reversible.
So you know, so I don't need to explain it. Okay, cool. All right, so let's say who wants to do reversible? Okay, Joyce do reversible, Angel do irreversible. Okay, since both of you raised up your hand. Okay, so let's have Joyce first. Joyce do all reversible. What you heat up already, it can come back. Okay. Okay, boiling water is reversible. Okay, like for example, chocolate, when it's hot, it will melt, but when it's cold, it will go back to hard. So yes, it's reversible, just like chocolate you ate yesterday, Joyce. What else? Ice lolly too, that's right. When it's cold, it becomes ice. When it's hot, you melt. Then when melt, you put back into freezer, then it becomes back ice. So it's reversible. Same goes to ice lolly as well as ice cream. Okay. As well as butter, when it's hot, it becomes oil. When it's cold, it becomes to solid butter. Okay. One more. One more. Okay, that's it. No more?
No more.
Okay, if no more, then we'll give to Angel then. Okay, Angel, can you do which is irreversible? If it's not, you don't take it, okay?
I don't know what's irreversible.
What does it mean then?
I don't know.
It means that once you cook an egg, can you say like, oh, I want back to raw egg, can or not?
I got it now.
Okay, it means you cannot reverse. Let's say you bite already, it's inside your tummy already. Can you vomit out and back to original break? Cannot. Very good. Egg once you cook, that's it. You cannot be back to original. What else? Whatever cooked normally, you cannot reverse. Like the meat you cook already, it become burger. But the burger, you say, I don't want burger now, I can't finish it. Can I keep it back and become raw meat? No. Okay, the wood, when it's original, it is brown. After you burn already, it become black. Can you go back to brown?
No.
Okay.
I think tomato.
Okay. Potato you cook already? Yes, you cannot go back to original.
Making coffee.
Okay, toffee, are you sure? Okay, click answer. Okay, toffee, anything melt. Okay. All right, stop, okay? Just stop for a while, okay? Okay, let me explain to all of you. Toffee is just like chocolate. Okay, when it's cold, it'll hard like chocolate. When it's hot, then it'll melt like cream. So the correct answer is toffee is reversible. Understand? Hot or cold, both is fine. Any questions about this?
Control back.
Now you understand?
And then go ahead to control back.
Okay, now we are gonna play a game. Okay, with everyone together. But before we play the game, I need you to pay attention to this. Okay, everyone read together. Cooking an egg
Cooking an egg
is irreversible. Means you cook already, you cannot back to a raw egg. Okay, this is gonna have a competition. Okay, all of you are gonna compete together, so make sure you get it correct. You must pay attention now. All right. Melting chocolate is a reversible or irreversible change? Most of them. Yes, anything that melts normally can reverse back. Okay, melting chocolate is reversible. In this picture, from ice to become water, is it reversible or not? Can the water turn back to ice?
No.
Can the water freeze become ice?
Yes.
Yes, so just stop. Sure. Stop.
I'm sorry.
Teacher, let go. Hands up. Hands up. Let me stop your control for a moment. Okay. Okay. Let's go back. Like for example, ice to water, and water can change back to ice because you can freezing method or melting method. So is it a reversible or non-reversible? Can reverse. Okay, number 4. Later I'm gonna let all of you play quizzy, okay? So pay attention now.
No.
Irreversible changes cannot go backwards. True or false? True. Irreversible means you cannot go back the same original way. Reversible change can change back to its original form. Ooh. What is changing in the picture? Is it reversible or not reversible? No, it's not, because the flour you add with egg, it becomes bread. But when it becomes bread, can you say like, oh, today I don't feel like eating bread. Let's change back to egg and flour. No, you can't do that. So it becomes irreversible. Okay, the ice lolly, when the orange juice, you froze it, it becomes popsicles. Can the popsicle go back to orange juice? Melt it? Yes, you melt it, it becomes orange juice. So yes, you can. Okay, which of this is not reversible? Which one you cannot reverse?
I know what? I can erase everything.
Okay, burning is irreversible because once you burn, you're gone already. So normally it's irreversible. Rusting is also irreversible because it's stained already. You cannot change back to original phase. The only one that can reverse are melting, which is like the chocolate, like the toffee, like ice. All these are melting is reversible. Understand? Okay, understand?
Understand.
Only if everyone tell me understand, then we can start saying.
Understand. Understand.
Very good. I hear everyone say understand now. Okay, ding ding ding. Let's play game.
The white master is here.
What happened to the sound? Okay, everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone, please click on the link in the chat. The link is joinmyquiz.com. Joinmyquiz.com.
don't understand.
Okay, can you see a link on the chat?
Yes.
Okay, click that. After you click that, did they ask you what is the join code?
Friend, my community.
Okay, you click on the link, the blue link that I sent you in the chat. Then after that, you enter this code 489462. Can or not?
89462. Nine.
Okay, Charmaine, can you click on it?
No.
In the chat, you just double click. Okay, if you need help, call mommy. Yes, please. Today, I'm gonna do something special, okay? So next time, if you know, we can play this more often.
Okay, now.
Okay, so you will receive this. Click onto the link. You see this. Then after that, it asks you join code. Over here, you type 489462. Okay.
What game is this, teacher?
Quizzy, can you click onto the link on the chat? At the chat.
Chat.
Double
Should we
click.
say need my phone? Do you need my
No.
phone? Oh, 不用。
On your computer will do.
Okay, excuse me, 我看一下。excuse me.
Double
Chat 在哪里
click.
Chat. Where is the chat?
One. Day.
不用。
Here.
Enter the code.
Teacher, and after
Join.
click just
889.
Okay, then after that, it'll ask you the code. Okay,
等一下，
the link to receive something like this.
有人
Then
见
on the top, very good. I see
这边有那，
Joyce, I see Angel.
有人见
等一下，
Code type 489462. Okay, today we play some new kind of game. So if you are familiar, next time we
I
can.
did it already. I joined in.
Good job. I see Charmaine as well.
How about me?
I see Angel, Charmaine, Joyce, Jane. Okay. So who else is not here yet?
My name is Best Angels in the Day.
Okay. All right. Yuna is in as well. Okay, perfect. Everyone is here. Okay. Remember the one that I explained to you? Let's start. Are you ready for the competition? Yes. Yes. 3, 2, 1. so one more question from Yuna, then we'll finish. So now you know how important is it to pay attention, right? Now you know how important to pay attention. Now is it the same question? Same question, right? Okay, so congratulations. You see on the scoreboard, who has the highest mark? Who is this, ST? That's me, Teacher Shireen. Okay, well done. Joyce and Jane got a lot of correct, but some questions wrong. Okay, I think one question wrong. Angel, quite good as well. Okay, Yuna, you still have one more question not done yet. One more question not done yet. Okay, so let's just do a revision. So that's why next time must pay attention to my question.
Charmin,
Yes. Okay, you see.
Charmin, why are you at the last page?
You need to practice. Okay.
Why are you at the last place?
Okay, we need to practice. Okay. So congratulations to Joyce and Jane. Jane got number 2. Joyce got number 3. Good job.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, we are all correct. And why your name is ST?
Because it's Teacher Shireen Tan. I just put my short form, ST. All right, so both Jane and Joyce got wrong for question number 5. Angel got wrong for question number 2 and 8. Okay, let's go through together. Okay, let's go through
你要专心
together.
了，你就会了，下次知道吗？
No worries, just practice, okay? That's why you have to pay attention when I explain just now. No worries. Okay, so cooking an egg is reversible or not reversible? What do you think? Not reversible, irreversible. That's right. It's irreversible. Okay, that's why it's important to listen to the class, right? And then number 2, melting chocolate is reversible or not reversible? Is reversible. Any word with melting is reversible. Water and ice is melting. So yes, it's reversible. Next, irreversible change means cannot go backwards. Is that true? Yes, it's true. Okay, reversible change can change back to its original form. Yes, reversible means that you can change back to original. That's true. What change is happening within this picture? This one is that from the flour and the egg, you combine together and you toast it and become bread. So this one is irreversible. I cannot make back the bread to become egg and flour. Popsicles, it is heating and melting. Yes, it's reversible. Which is not an irreversible. Means that which one can reverse? And I told you, melting can reverse. Understand? Everyone understand?
Understand.
Okay, if you understand, that's great. Do you like this game or not? If you like to play like this next time, you give me a thumbs up. If you say that this game is too hard, I don't want. Oh, I don't want. Okay, give me an emoji. You like this kind of game or don't like? Okay, it's okay. Doesn't matter you win or lose. It's about practicing. Okay, it's just about practicing. That's why you have to pay attention.
Both. I both.
Both.
I both.
Okay, so next time I'll do revision first. Then you pay attention. Then you can score 100. Okay? Okay, so that's pretty much for today. So today we have learned 2 things. One is the processes, melting, freezing, evaporation, sublimation, deposition. Okay, so we have learned all this. And the second part, what is reversible and not reversible? Okay, so this is what we learned in the textbook over here. Okay, so basically this one you see here, we learned about hot flames. All this is not reversible. Okay, so we learned about what is reversible and not what is not reversible, how to heat and how to cool. Okay, so that's all for science today. Thank you, class. Hope you had fun. Okay, good try, Shamin. Bye.